All right, what's happening? This Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan. You seen how I got them pork chops ready. You seen what I seasoned them with. You seen how I marinated them. It's been about 4 hours. About 4 or 5 hours I got them marinated. And you see me get my charcoal ready with my fire cup from Tiger McCool. Now, let's get this meat loaded on this legacy. All right, so here they go. This bad boy's been marinating for a few hours. We're gonna get a quick little grill session going on. We got that Kingsford original loaded up. And we're gonna load these jokers up just like this here. Oh yeah, we got a nice little sizzle. And one thing I like about this legacy is you can lower the coals up and down. So I'm definitely going to lower them down so it doesn't burn the sugars in the marinade. Yeah, let's get to this other bag. Yeah, we don't want the sugars. We don't want it to burn and be all bitter. Because I really want to see what this marinade is about. I did a video using the rub and some of Bachan's yuzu on some baby back. So that video is out there. Check that out. My Japanese ribs. So we got these cats loaded. I'm going to drop these coals a little bit. And this is some of this Kingsford premium blend with apple, hickory, and oak in it. I'm going to drop these coals just like that. And I'm going to give a little sprinkle. Just a little sprinkle. So we can kiss them chops with that nice premium blend is what they call it. Apple, hickory, and oak. And that's about all I'm going to do with that. So I'm going to shut this down, let it do its thing. I'm going to be back out here in about 30 minutes. Now my instincts told me to come out here. And I'm glad I did. Quick grill session. Quick grill session. That's all we doing. Grilling these bad boys up real quick. Remember, that's what I got it. I marinated it in for about 4 or 5 hours. And we'll go ahead and just touch it up. Touch it up a little bit. I'm not even going to temp them. I could for video purposes, but I'm grilling up pork chops. So I think I know when to pull a pork chop. These bad boys is pretty much done. Quick cook. I bet they're about between 135 and 140 right now. So some glaze the other side like that. Just a light little glaze. And if somebody want to eat some more with it, then they can. Of course, I got some heat left over. And I figure I'll slice up a head of cauliflower. I never did this before. So this is going to be new. So this cauliflower, little impromptu side, something, kind of healthy. They got good color. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna soften them up. I got a little bit of water in there, about a couple tablespoons, some butter, and some more Kinders. And I'm just gonna set these in there. Okay, so these pork chops is done. As you can see, look at that. Nice color, nice flavor. Of course, I already ate one. Well, we had to try it for the interest of science. And that's what it was marinated in, and then basted with this Kinder's cooking sauce and glaze, Japanese barbecue. I had the dry seasoning that I wanted to use with it, but the humidity ruined that. And here's this cauliflower. First time ever doing something like this. As you can see, it came out pretty good. Tastes all right. I tasted a little piece. And that was just coated with some avocado oil and then dusted with the Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. So let's get a plate. So that was a quick, fun little cook. A little plate here. Cauliflower, grilled up, seasoned with the Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. I coated it with some avocado oil because I know they got like a high smoke point, I believe. But got good color on it. You know? Still got some texture. I did put it in a aluminum pan. Man, that's good. A little bit of butter, some water, a little bit more of the seasoning. I wrapped it up and just kind of let it steam in there. And this is the pork chop. Definitely wasn't about to waste my time with no knife and fork. And this was seasoned just with onion powder, garlic powder, some chili powder, and then marinated in the Kinder's Japanese barbecue. I think it's called the Glaze and cooking sauce and glaze. Okay, as I was reviewing this video, I did not realize that my mic cut off. So this little set that I got from Amazon came with two. So this one was charged up. But hey, you know what? Quick little cook. Tastes really good. The pork chops were very juicy. I pulled them bad boys, like I said, I believe at about 138. Some got up to 141. But all in all, a fun cook. I do not grill pork chops that often, but definitely want to start. Want to try to get some of them man chops, like my man Jeff over Outdoors with Jeff, Black Smoke Barbecue. What's up, fellas? And I want to get some of them, some 2-bone pork chops, because I want to come up with a little stuffing to put in there and throw them bad boys on the old char grill legacy. Might even wrap them up in bacon. And for those who are into stars, thought I'd mention that. That's Jupiter right above you. All right, be sure to check me out on other social media sites. Instagram, Not All Smoke 78. TikTok, Not All Smoke. And here on YouTube, In the Smoke with Keenan. Y'all be cool, be smart, be safe. One.